What's good, YouTube? It's your boy ZT Zoomin, and I'm back with another booming video. This about to be the boomingest of the most booming videos today, y'all. We are finally installing my ProCharger. No more waiting. Today's the day. You see, I got the parts here set up already. I got them laid out on my table. Got my light set up. Got the hood pop. Got the ProCharger right in here. Got the stage 2 intercooler right there. I'm about to go over my parts list. This is gonna be the install video on how to install the 50 state legal ProCharger kit on the 6th gen Camaro SS. I'm gonna go ahead and use my GoPro with the head mount on it, and you guys can literally see everything that I'm doing. And I'll also probably break this video down into 2 parts because I'm not sure I'm gonna have the time to finish it today. So let's get it. Just going over the parts list here, trying to check everything off, make sure I got it. I was supposed to do this process like a week after I received it. It is what it is. 6 rib kit. Let's see, oil drain line. This looks to be the same thing. Okay, I'm supposed to have 2. Okay, cool. All right, you guys, from what I can tell, it looks like most of it is here. All right, here we go, you guys. We got the front wheels removed. Now it's time to start removing this piece up here. Definitely gonna be taking my time while I do this, just so that when everything goes back together, it looks as best as possible. Need something to set all my pieces into. Here we go. Cool, we got a little parts box. Probably need more down the road, but works for now. No, my engine bay ain't the cleanest. Remove this plastic trim. Should be perfect for getting underneath here. All right, let's remove the splash guard. Yo, I scraped the hell out of my lip the other day. That's it. Me. Now let's remove the splash guard. These are 7mm. Oh wow, this front lip is riveted on. Good job, Chevy. If y'all can see the rivets there. More. Where? Damn, these bolts right here were tricky to get to. Definitely need this swivel socket. Now I gotta try to get this last one up in the fender. Guess I need the swivel again. It's funny because I was just telling my grandpa how much I hate swivel sockets and how I just don't ever use them. Look at me today. Cool, got it done without destroying the inner liner too much. You sucker. You guys are gonna get plenty of cussing on this vlog. Come on. That ain't even the worst one. Oh, broke that off. The hell was that? Some type of little spacers. Next is to remove the sound tube here. If one of you guys know what this sound tube does, what does a sound tube do? I don't even know. Comment down below if you guys know. Locate the PC for you that runs from the... Where the fuck is it disconnecting from though? We got Country J here again. The Supercharger's gonna sit in here. This tube's gonna be gone. You know what a sound tube is? Separate the air tube holders. They just pull apart. At least it hit the ground. Damn. Always a good thing. There's literally nothing. No.
Just so you can hear the motor inside the car.
That's
it's sealed up so well.
That's crazy. And this is so that you can hear the motor?
I think so. I think so you could hear the intake sucking inside the cab.
That's trash as hell. Next, we got these push clips down here. Came out here to start freaking recording. Get here, look at my freaking GoPro. I don't have the right memory card. Had to go all the way back home. Car was already up on the lift and shit.
Oh, you had to go all the way. I thought you just had to turn around.
No. Forgot my memory card from my freaking GoPro. I'm in my cousin's little Mini Cooper. Check out how dope this is. Big old tag. This is how you roll up the windows. How freaking cool is that? This thing's hella cool. How cold is it getting up where you're at?
30 degrees this morning.
Yeah, man, I can't do this 30 degrees shit. That's loose. Yeah, it says stage 2 on it. There's no way to see underneath because this thing goes down, but I've got to come back up like 2 inches. Can't even see it. Then it's like you got to be careful where you stab because you'll stab right into this little radiator. Come on. Oh, shit, how am I supposed to get it around that? Use 7mm screws to remove the driver's side headlight. All right, headlight screws. And then this thing disconnects. Whew, I got one more. Okay, cool.
Got clipping it still.
Oh. Come on.
Oh, that one's coming off super smooth.
I'm just trying to break it at this point. Damn. I hate undoing this many clips like this. I feel like they never go back right. It was all headlight shit. Hopefully I can get most of the disassembly done. Feel pretty confident about everything except for taking all the pulleys off the front of the crank and shit. Double, triple, quadruple check it's all tight. Make sure I don't screw nothing up too bad. Oh, I guess it sucks in air right here to the air box.
Through the headlight?
Yeah.
Hellcat wannabe.
I hope people still want to play with me. So to be smog legal, the main thing is you reuse the factory air box. That's why the other one has the bracket with the air filter that sits in here somewhere. But I actually kind of feel better about mine because I don't imagine air sitting in there is all that cool.
Yeah.
I mean, I know it cools down through the intercooler, but if I can have cooler air to start and then cool it down even more, you know what I mean? And yeah, when they look at the power numbers, I haven't seen anybody with this kit that has dynoed it. This kit is actually only like 6 to 9 months old. But on ProCharger stuff, they don't advertise any less horsepower. They're all the same horsepower for the same ProCharger. And also, I don't really see how I can make less horsepower unless it's the way that the air is routed. Maybe it flows a little better or something, but I don't really see how I could lose much power.
At least you don't have fake vents on the hood. Them real?
Oh yeah, for sure. For sure.
Headlights?
Yeah, driver's side. Oh, see, that's why I looked at it and I was like, what am I taking off? Because there isn't one.
Like, Justin goes, well, you better stay at home.
Oh, shit.
Like, I don't gotta touch nothing. I just want to look at it.
Yeah, it's just crazy, though. I feel like you're the only one that truly knows how much of a dream this really is. You know what I mean? My car's already sketchier to drive since I lowered it. It breaks loose in the back all the time. It used to just plant if I punched it. When I first got my my wider wheels and shit in the back, when I would punch it after that, never broke loose, it just hooked. And then I lowered my car, now that breaks loose going into second too. Everything on is still breaking loose. The traction control on this is pretty fucking dope. It still allows like a decent amount of power to the wheels. The warranty's truly no good after this.
Just glad you're confident enough. Like, I've always wanted to be confident enough, and I never have the tools to do anything like this anyways. It's always fun to get into it.
Yeah, I don't know. I feel confident-ish. The things I don't feel confident about, like camshaft scares me a little bit. I've always kind of avoided that. And putting like gears in the rear end scares me. But actually, after swapping out these axles on my cousin's car and seeing everything, and I was talking to my grandpa, and I was like, oh, this is all it is?
Easy. Yeah, people putting gears in this thing too?
I don't know, not this. I want to put them in my Mustang. I probably wouldn't put gears in this just because I need the longer gears anyways with the Supercharger. Make sure I don't lose this wire here. I ran this whole wire in here myself. Ran it through that little hole that was there. This is for my glow tie. All right, what we got next? Yeah, it's crazy pulling apart this much of the car, but all this stuff I feel pretty confident about. It's just motor work, getting to the inside, you know, and especially like cams, you got to make sure it's in the right position when you put it in.
Yeah, timing.
Yeah.
Timing destroys everything.
It says remove the horn.
The horn? Will that screw back into it?
That'll screw back into this over here, I think. Perfect. Is it not crazy that I don't just have a single serpentine belt? Look at that.
No, that's AC. I don't think that's weird.
On a newer car? That's weird to me. Oh, it's a tensioner. Oh, I got a crack in my belt. Cool. Going pretty smooth, man. What if I ever got to change the alternator on this thing?
So, probably go through your fender.
Probably. Let the coolant drain from the Peacock on the passenger side. Oh, it's got the...
I think it's gonna come all the way up.
I don't know. Shit. Okay. Uh-oh. The hell? Tell you what though, I don't love how banged up that radiator looks.
You gotta pull that shroud off that one too, or no? Does it say to?
I don't know. I haven't flipped through the directions. I'm just going.
So your intercooler sits here?
Yeah, it's gonna sit down in here somewhere. Gonna be tight though, man. Gonna be tight.
Yeah, because in the piping.
I like that it's all rubber though. Keep everything cool, make it easy to install.